Hi to you all again. Today I want to introduce a dish that really celebrates the tomato in different ways. We are using the tomato in multiple forms, playing with textures and techniques. On the plate you will find confit tomatoes, semi-dried tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, tomato consomme, all brought together with parmesan crisps, basil oil, basil leaves and mozzarella. We are going to start with the semi-dried tomatoes. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half and cut the other tomatoes into 8 wedges and deseed them. You can use the seeds in consomme and place cut side up on a baking tray. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with salt, sugar and herbs if using. Bake slowly at 100 degrees Celsius with fan for 2 to 3 hours or until they look shriveled but still soft in the center, so dry but not crunchy. Then store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. You can cover with olive oil for longer storage. In the meantime, we can move on and prepare the confit tomatoes. Bring a pot of water to the boil and score the base of each cherry tomato. Then blanch the cherry tomatoes for 5 seconds. Then transfer immediately to ice water. Peel off the skins and place cherry tomatoes in a small oven dish. With garlic, thyme and a pinch of sugar and salt. Then cover them with olive oil. Cook for 90 minutes until soft and concentrated, but they still need to hold their shape. So you can put them in the oven together with semi-dried tomatoes, but confit will be ready sooner. Okay, so those are in the oven. Now we can start making the consomme. Just roughly chop all the ingredients and combine them all in a pot. Gently simmer 20-25 minutes until soft and then blend and strain through a fine sieve to remove solids. So this is the base. We also need to make the raft to clarify this liquid. For the raft, finely chop celery, tomato and shallot. After chopping all the ingredients, whisk them together with egg whites. Then place the pot over medium heat and stir this raft into the tomato liquid. Stir occasionally until the raft begins to coagulate. Once it rises to the surface, stop stirring. Make a small hole to let the consomme simmer gently beneath it for 30 minutes and carefully ladle clear liquid through a cheesecloth. And lastly, the Parmesan Tuile. Just grate the Parmesan cheese on a baking sheet and microwave for like 10 seconds, just until melted, nothing more. It will be crispy when it's cooled down. You can use it like that, or you can use any mold to shape these Parmesan Tuiles. Okay, for the basil oil, I don't have the recipe here because I made it in advance. I recommend you do the same. It's very simple to make basil oil. Just blanch fresh basil briefly, soak it in ice water, squeeze it dry and blend it with neutral oil until smooth. Then strain it overnight, and if you want to see this full process in detail, make sure to check out the shorts video on the channel where we show you how to make a green oil without blanching step by step. So I recommend you to place the sieve with cheesecloth in a container and cover loosely and refrigerate for 8 to 12 hours. So this is the best way to achieve maximum clarity, color and flavor. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please don't forget to like the video as well. And for more recipes like this, more sweet recipes or dinner ideas, please subscribe to FırınForno. That's it for today and see you next week.